Here's what I learned after losing for the whole month of October. Now let me show you how this last week of October went. Yeah, let's start from Wednesday to Friday because on Wednesday was when I started trading this week. Now let's get into the video.
So I welcome you all to this video. I just took a trade right now and that trade stopped me out. I'm not at home, I'm not in my house right now, so I don't even have my mic on. I just wish you could hear me properly. So I took a trade. I know deep down I'm not supposed to be taking this trade, but I've been going through losses throughout this month, since the beginning of this month till now. Like every single trade I take ends up in a loss. And I saw this trade and I was not supposed to be taking it because there is something that is missing. And I was like, okay, fuck it. Since it just confirmed to me that it's kind of like going to go in my way, let me just take the trade. And it stopped me out. Like, there's something I heard somewhere that the market will always give you something that looks like opportunity. The market will give you setups that is almost looking like it's going to go in your favor. But trust me, that setup is not your setup. The one that is sure and completes all the requirements is what is actually your setup. But sometimes we traders, we are in the market, instead of us to exercise patience, we will not. We will just want to trade because we've taken losses and all of that. Like in my own case, I've taken a lot of losses this month, and now I just feel like I just have to make it back before the month end. And I feel like it's the wrong thing. Yeah, it's really the wrong thing to do. This month is almost finished. Today is Wednesday. We just have Thursday and Friday, and I don't know how it's going to be. Maybe we could get a trade, but maybe we won't. And now I've come to accept it that this month is actually a losing month for me, and I'm not going to force any trade. I'm just going to be very calm and make sure that these 2 days that is remaining for this month to finish, I'm going to take what is actually my setup. I'm not going to compromise. I'm not going to compromise. So I just feel like sharing it. I just put a screenshot of the loss on my screen because before I could even try to record, price just stopped me out once, just one candle that stopped me out. So it was that fast, very, very fast. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, which is Thursday. Maybe hopefully we'll trade on Thursday, and if we don't trade on Thursday, then Friday. But I'll see you guys in any of these days we are going to trade. So see you guys.
See, do you know sitting on your hand is one of the most difficult things to do? Like, it feels like you are doing something wrong. See, I've gone weeks without trading here, but I've never gone a single month without trading because it feels like going one whole month without trading. That's how I feel. This is my own personal opinion. It feels like going months without trading makes it look like you don't know what you're doing. Let's just say if you are even going 1 month without trading, it feels like you don't know what you are doing. Yeah, but I would like to tell you that that's not true. Now I've come to accept that I can go months without even trading and it's fine. Because I'm telling you now that if I have not traded this month, I would have still have my money. I would have still have my money. And the funny thing this month is that during the time window I trade there, all the setups there are shit. Like all, literally. But outside of the time windows I trade, there were good setups there. See, when I took that trade on Wednesday and it stopped me out for $25 loss, I felt like I should just open another trade with max risk and blow the account. Like I was very, 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 very pissed. Like seriously, my psychology, my mind were all messed up. But one thing just held me. I was like, nah, I'm not going to open this trade. I'll just go away from the chat and just drop my phone and just do something else. And that's what I did. I just went ahead to do something else. I took my phone and I started making video. So that to even get my mind off it. Because anytime I come to the camera to say things about my trading and how it goes, I get a bit relief. I don't know why, but I feel like I get a bit relieved and it feels like I'm saying out a lot of pain from my heart. So I feel like it kept me a bit freed up. Yeah. So today is Friday and we are going to see what the chat have for us. Let's just see what the chat have for us today. So we'll go straight to the chat and see if we can get any setup. And if we don't get any, like I told you guys before, I'm going to be very strict on my um setups now. Like I will not compromise for any reason. I will not compromise. I just pray I could do it though, but I know I'm not going to compromise. I have checklists already. I'm going to follow them accurately and um let's see how today goes. Yeah, so we'll just go to the chat and see how today goes. So for you guys that know how I trade already, I like to do most of my analysis on the 4 hour chart, and I'm mostly trying to go in the direction of the daily. Yeah. So I'm mostly looking for where we have double top or double bottom on the chart for reversal, or a single swing high or swing low for continuation. So now here price came down before price could turn bullish, because if you go on the daily, so if you go on the daily, we have the previous day closed bullish, so we are expecting to continue in the direction of the daily, so we are expecting to go up again. But on the 4 hour chart, what we want to see only a single high, so that we can actually take out that high. So before the session I trade here, so before the session I trade, price already came into a point of support and went and started going up towards that single high. So in a case where it goes above the high and break down, we can start looking for the reversal, or it fails to go above it and break down, we can start looking for the reversal. So now I'm still expecting price to take out this high. So now if you go on, let me go on the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour chart took out this high and failed, which is making this very hard for me. Had it been there was only a single high, not double high like this, it would have been easier for me. But now there's double high and price has taken out this high and it failed to close above the high. So we might start heading towards the downside. And if we are going to do that, I'm not about to short the market right now. The only time I can confidently short the market is when the next 4 hour, which is this 4 hour, close bearish like this. Then I'll be comfortable enough to like short the chart and target this point, like this low here. But if it doesn't close bearish, then we can still go up. Yeah, but what price is doing moving towards the upside is just confusing me. Like it's getting me confused. And anytime I not really clear on the chart like this, I just like to like leave it alone, because the only thing that is confusing me now is the fact that price has taken this high with this candle here and then close below. So now this might just be a retracement for us to just continue lower, or price might just go up a little bit and break down lower. It still remain below this high, then we are going for this low and this low. So that's when I'll be able to use the next 4 hour to like target this low. But the thing now is that I don't think I'll be able to trade in the next 4 hour, because today is Friday. So trading that will be very, very risky. Yeah. So I don't know. Let's just see how it goes. If this is going to be the end of this week and this month in total, then I think it's okay. Yeah. So I just got in on this trade. I'm trying to open it here, but it's not opening. Oh, but I entered this trade on my phone. Um, let's just say it goes almost. Are you sure it has not even take me out? Let me check it on my phone. And my second phone is here is also having network issue. Yeah. But let's see how it goes, guys. I feel like this trade. Oh shit! Before I could even talk, it just stopped us out. Oh no, man. That's all for today. Like price action is just not clean at all. So, Brad just stopped me out. And we refused to load here. Refusing to load. Well, that's it for this week. We took two losses, and for the whole month, we took a lot of losses. A lot of losses. No single win set. What more can I say? Oh, trading is hard. Trading is not easy. Trading is very difficult. Throughout this month, we've made losses back to back. Like I think it's about six losses or so. No wins, no single win at all. The first trade of this month I took made me believe that we're going to stand on the right feet. Like because that first trade got to um got to my TP, but it went and reversed and stopped me out on $14 profit. That's why I said $14 on the P&L. So I was thinking we're going to maybe this trading month is going to be one of the best. I was even expecting to make about $150 profit. Boy, in this case, I lost about $150 in just one month. I think it's 125 or so, or a little bit more, but it's not up to 150, but it's almost up to. I didn't really expect this month to be like this. I was expecting we are going to make good profit this month. I was even expecting a payout this month, but I feel like I went and put my hopes too high. So one thing that's paining me about these losses is that for the past 3 months, I made $150, and just in one month, I lost $125. So that's not good. It's not good at all. Like it's not good at all. Just imagine me making around $50 to $60 monthly and then losing 125 in one month. Even though I'm going to have a losing month, at least it's supposed to be $50 losing month or $25 losing month, not $125. Well, it's not easy, but we are still going to do our thing. We're still going to come back and do our thing. I believe next month is going to be a good month. And this account now, save, I've removed hope from this account. If it blow, it blow. I'll just try and look for money and get another account, which is going to be a bit difficult. But with God by my side, I'll be able to raise up some money and get an account. Yeah. So this is the P&L for the month. You see, we took about six trades or so. That $14 profit was the trade I took that stopped me out on $14. Yeah. So it stopped me out on $14, and it went in my way later on. So it even went in my way later on. And that was me adjusting the SL too soon. Yeah. And then the rest trades were just SL back to back, SL back to back. It feels like what I even know in the market is no longer there. Like, damn. But it's good. Some months are like this. Yeah. Um, this year will soon come to an end. We only have 2 months remaining. And with these 2 months, I just pray I'm able to make back these um losses and still make more profit. Yeah. And if not, then that's it. But if you blow the account before the end of the year, maybe we might just wait till next year and get another account. But if we don't blow it, which I know I'm not going to blow it, I'm still going to keep it to the end of this year. I might even keep it till next year. This account will not go. It's just that it will just be in a lot of drawdown and just take me a lot of time to like get it up. But it's okay. It's fine. I think one thing that's really affected my wins, and that's the thing that I've learned in the whole month of September, losing every trade back to back. What I learned is that my wins are not covering up for the losses. I know I make anywhere between $50 and above in profit, and I lose $25 in almost all my trades. But now that I have a losing month, these wins didn't cover up. They even took me back, like it took me back to where I almost began the account from. Yeah, from the last 3 months. So it took me way, way, way back. All the profit I made, all gone. You understand? And this is not proper. This kind of risk management is not proper. So at this point, I would like to say maybe it's a little bit of an edge issue because I make sure the risk management aspect of my trading is sound. Like I don't want to ever try to like risk above what I say I'm going to risk. I come here to risk $25 every trade and every day. And it's been going against me, yeah. So I feel like maybe the trading edge is not really, really sound like that. Because now that it's giving me losses, it's not covering up. The losses are too much. The losses are too much that it's even taking me, setting me 3 months back. Like 3 months making good profit, and then just 1 month took me 3 months back. That's not good. That's not good at all. I still need to work on some certain things here. I still need to work on my patience and work on the type of trades I take. Because see, when I see my setup, when I see it, if I trade that setup, it really, really goes. And I really know that yeah, this one is going to go. But anytime you see that I'm confused, I'm not sure, I'm this, I'm that, forget. See, if I take that setup, it's always going to end up negative. And this month has not presented me with anything that I can say this is really my setup. The times it presents me with these setups is when I'm not supposed to be trading or maybe outside of my trading windows and all of that. And it's really, really, really frustrating. Like it's really, really frustrating. Yeah, but I think we'll just end the video here and end the week here and end the month here. So this is the end of the month. We'll come back next month and do our thing and make sure we are going to stick to the risk management part of it. And then the edge, I'm going to try, like the trading edge, like my setup, when it comes to my setups, I'm going to try to be more patient. And anytime I get confused, I don't want to trade, because anytime I get confused and I trade, those are the times I make losses. So I'll make sure that I trade the times that I'm really certain that yeah, this and this is actually this. But anytime I get confused and all of that, that's when the losses hit, and that's when I need to be avoiding. And if I say let me avoid times like that, I'm going to end up trading one or twice or even 3 times in a month, and it's not really really. I feel like it's the trade frequency is kind of like low, but I'll just try to fit myself into the trade frequency, and just all these things is kind of like new to me, sha, because is this year 2025 that I've traded properly, like from the beginning of the year to the end of the year. I didn't trade January though, and that was because I was trying to raise money to buy an account. But February down to now, which is end of October, I've been trading. So I feel like all of this, I'm still the edge that I'm using, I'm still trying to like understand it properly. The times it doesn't work and the times it work. Yeah. So I'm not really sad about this whole thing. I'm just kind of like heartbroken because of my expectations here. But I'm not really sad because I feel like if this year can be like this and I don't really, because I've had 3 months of wins here and this 1 month of losses spoiled everything, because I was taking trades I was not too sure of. If I avoided every trade, I feel like this month I wouldn't have taken any trades at all. Yeah. So I'll try more to like work on the trades that I'm sure of. Yeah. So that's what I'll be doing. And I'm still really happy about the whole thing because I wasn't expecting this month to be like this. I passed an account. I the first from February, March was very good. Then July, August, September were good. So that's like 5 months of profitability here. And we have 12 months in total, minus 1 month that I didn't trade. So I feel like this remaining 2 months, 3 months has been fucked up already. So this remaining 2 months, I'm sure going to try my best to make sure that um, and make it profitable. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make sure that I make it profitable. This video is getting too long and I don't want it to get too long like this. Guys, I want to know how this month has actually gone for you guys. Was this month a profitable month or also a losing month for you guys? Let me know in the comment section, because I know there are a lot of people that are smashing this month, and this month has been their best month yet. So let me know in the comment section how this month went for you. So I'm going to end this video here, but before I leave, I want to thank you guys for viewing my video, for subscribing. We don't really have much subscribers now, but I know we are going to grow. If you keep encouraging me and I keep showing up, we are going to grow and grow a larger audience. Yeah, so I thank you guys again. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Please, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe for your boy. Yeah, subscribe for your boy. Don't take anything. Subscription is free. Just click on the subscribe button and turn on bell notification so that you can get notified anytime I post new video. That's what the subscription does. The subscribing, you are subscribing, keeps you to my channel, and anytime I make new video, it's just going to show up for you to watch it first. Yeah, so please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and make sure you stay blessed through the weekend. So bye.